Hey everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and today I'm going to show you how to apply heat transfer vinyl onto a cotton face mask. Okay, so here we have our HTV transfer. I've already taken the time to cut it out and weed it, and you'll see that it's in reverse. Of course, if we flip it over, you'll be able to see that it says, "Give me some space," which I think is pretty appropriate given the application. All right, when pressing these cotton face masks, you are going to want to use a pressing pillow. This is because the face mask itself has these thick seams very close to the pressing area, and you don't want those to cause your pressing area to not get proper contact and pressure from the heating element. So that's why we use a pressing pillow. We're going to go ahead and slide it in, and we're going to pre-press this for about 3 to 5 seconds. Just going to hold the press in place. You're not going to give it the full press. It's just enough to get out all the wrinkles, give us a nice smooth pressing area. And now it's ready for our transfer. As you can see here, we're gonna need some space. All right, and then the last thing before the final press, we are gonna use our Pro Grade non-stick sheet. This is one that I custom cut to fit my Craft Pro 13x9, and I'm gonna press. This is Siser Easy Weed, so it's gonna go at 305 degrees, and I'll be pressing for 10 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and slide it out. It's time for our reveal. Siser Easy Weed can be peeled hot or cold. I'm gonna give it a hot peel, and look at that. Right there, you can clearly see our mask is done. Well, there you go. That's how you can customize your own cotton face mask with heat transfer vinyl. If you have any questions about this or our other products, please feel free to give us a call at 800-215-0894. You can also reach us at heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation. Thanks for watching.